Welcome to Learn Spanish World. Today, my dear friends, we will be learning about Spanish nouns and articles. We're going to learn Spanish fast and in an easy way. We'll be learning about new words, pronunciation, and also about the indefinite and definite articles in Spanish. Now, the first word for today is hombre. Notice you don't pronounce the H. Hombre means man. Hombre. The second word is niño. Niño means boy. When we talk about the weather and we talk about the current of El Niño causing a lot of problems, it's because it's a naughty niño, a naughty boy. The third word is mujer. Mujer means woman. That's correct. So we can see a mujer, that she's become a superhero. Mujer. The J sounds like a H in English. Mujer. What's our next word? Niña. That's correct. Niña means girl. There's the little niña waving at us. Niña. Niña means girl. And this is a cute word. The word bebé, which means baby. Notice the accent in the last E. Bebé. Now, here we've got the definite article da, which in Spanish is el, la, los, las. So, el and la, singular, los, las, plural. So, we'll see how we use this. Atención. El hombre, which means the man, singular. That's why we use el. That's the, but in its singular form. El hombre, the man. El niño, the boy. El niño means the boy. That's correct. El niño. What about the baby? Oh, the baby's crying. El bebé. El bebé. The baby. Now notice the article changes. Now it's la mujer because it's a feminine noun. La mujer. La mujer is also singular. We're not talking about many women. We're talking about one specific woman. La mujer. Next one. La niña. Once again, singular. The girl. La niña. So notice. Now the indefinite article un and una. A car, a piano, and so on. Let's see the examples. La mujer, that means the woman, the definite article da, in this case singular feminine la, and una mujer, a woman. Yo soy una mujer. I am a woman. Yo soy, notice the article, una mujer. Una mujer, a woman. Yo soy una mujer. La niña, the girl. So that's the definite article, la niña. Now, let's see what's the indefinite article. Una niña, which means a girl. Una niña. Yo soy una niña. I am a girl. Yo soy, I am, una, a, niña, girl. Yo soy una niña. Let's continue with more examples. That's right, that's el hombre, the man. When you say it fast, you tend to join the two words. El hombre, the man. Yo soy un hombre. I am a man. Yo soy un hombre. Most Spanish speakers speak very fast, so they tend to join the words. Yo soy un hombre. Yo soy un hombre. I am a man. Yo soy un hombre. By the way, if this is your first time watching one of our videos, please subscribe. My name is Mr. Briggs and I upload videos regularly, almost every week. El niño, the boy. That's the definite article. Now let's see the indefinite article. Yo soy un niño. I am a boy. So the contrast, the boy or a boy. El niño, un niño. Yo soy un niño. Yo soy un niño. I am a boy. Yo soy un niño. I am a boy. We're almost there. Let's continue with a few more examples. So you won't forget about this because we practice a lot. El hombre, la mujer. El hombre's got a bag. La mujer's got a beautiful flower. Next example, let's see. El hombre is scratching his head. Yo soy un hombre. I am a man. Yo soy una mujer. I am a woman. Now listen to my pronunciation. Yo soy una mujer. Can you repeat that? Yo soy una mujer. El bebé, the baby. El bebé is crying. Poor bebé. El bebé is smiling now. The baby. El bebé. Now notice how I join both words. El bebé. You're never gonna hear a native speaker saying el bebé. They usually speak very fast and join the words together. El bebé. Yo soy un bebé would be yo soy un bebé. Yo soy un bebé. I am a baby. Very good, my dear friends. So I hope that you enjoy this video. Please subscribe, follow us, and give us a like. You will help us continue preparing and creating more videos for you. Thank you so much for your help. It's been a pleasure seeing you. And we'll see you next time. Adios, amigos. Till next time.